Oh gosh, let's see what's going on here. What's good? What's good, Mr. R? What's good? What's good? Just bear with me here. I'm trying to get the chat up. I can see you on this side, but on this one, not so much. So give me 1 second. I messed up my stream settings trying to game with you guys yesterday. Took me a hot minute, went all over the place, and it still didn't work out, man. It was crazy. All right. Okay, I guess that's good. So what was the other? YouTube live control panel. Would that be this? I think so. Guys, just bear with me. If you're here, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna do the analysis real soon. In fact, let me see if I could do this. You know what? Let me just finish this real quick. Oh gosh, and a notification just hit too. So I gotta check the charts. Give me 1 second. If you're here, just give me 1 second. I'm just setting everything up so I can see what's going on with the live and all that. Okay, great. All right, let's go into this. Finally. All right, so gold has reached our area. Oh gosh, now my camera's not working. Guys, 1 second. Nope, wrong one. Okay. Command R. Okay. Wow. All right, we'll leave it like this. Can you guys see me? Everything good? Gotta copy the invite link real quick. Messy morning, guys. Messy morning. Alrighty. Okay, let's get to the analysis. Okay, so basically, what I've done is I've marked up gold. Okay, we can see here, you guys, those of you who have been here every single day, you know that gold has been essentially just, you know what I mean, just slowly going towards the zone. It was respecting it in the beginning. It broke below. We were trying to wait to see what would happen, if it would continue downwards or not, right? And in this case, it didn't. Ended up doing this, which I kind of told you guys would happen just because of this formation of the pattern. And now here we have price breaking below this support, which didn't really become much of a resistance, but it broke below the support zone, pushed towards the upside, and now we're above this trend line here. Now, if you're new and you're watching me for the first time, thank you, Mr. R. If you're new and you're watching me for the first time, I don't trade trend lines and support and resistance per se, but I do use it to mark up my charts to give me a good understanding of what's happening. So here we are. If we go down to the 15, I marked out this zone because I'm anticipating that based on the way price is moving, we should continue to the upside. Why? Because we came from all the way down here. Okay. You can see we just been making higher highs and higher lows. Okay. Eventually, we started breaking more highs. Forgive me for the horrible illustration here, but over here is when we start to see lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so price is going, giving us lower highs and lower lows. It broke down this way, started breaking these highs. What we have now is this. So we got to figure out, we need price. You can see I've marked here up. We need price to break this. So what I'm anticipating, since it broke these highs, is that it would probably come off of somewhere here and then go towards the upside. If not, it'll come back to retest this particular zone. Okay, because I'm anticipating that price should be moving towards the upside. So I'm overall bullish. All right, so you can see as soon as we got here to the 1 minute, Price is just starting to push already. All right. Now, it's Tuesday, so you guys know I don't really trade on Tuesdays. So I'm just kind of here more so to walk you guys through the charts and help you guys look at other potential areas. You can see here, US 30 is kind of the same situation here. Okay. Oh, man. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at certain areas. We might take some, like paper trades just to kind of work out. Because remember, I haven't been trading in the last couple of days. So just to kind of get back into the groove of trading. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Let me see if I can get this in here. Perfect. For everybody who's here, I didn't get to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving if you're from Canada. And I haven't really said good morning to you guys yet. So good morning, all my lovely people out there. Shout out all the people in the Foreign Money family and all you lovely pineapples out there.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a lovely morning. Here's the good news about this week. All the news events that are supposed to kind of take place, we only see kind of like one on Thursday. Whereas in last week, every single day almost there was a news event. So it was just nasty work. You know what I mean? So we're grateful that this week doesn't have that many news related events. Okay. So we're going to keep watching these. We're going to see what's going on. What are you guys trading this morning? How was your weekend? Did anybody trade yesterday? I know a couple people traded yesterday. And I had somebody message me and tell me how bad the market was. And I was like, yeah, when it's a holiday, it's just best to leave it alone. You might still see setups, but it may not play to your, what's the word I'm looking at? To your plan or your strategy, because price is not moving in an orthodox manner. It's moving a little, different. So those things happen. Those things happen. And I'm here earlier today because, there we go. Because yesterday I didn't get to stream. Well, I was trying to game with you guys, all right? Had everything hooked up. Headset, webcam, the whole nine. And I couldn't get it to work. I feel old, bro. I feel old. All right, so price is now in this zone. Let me kind of zoom out a little bit. Price is now at this area. We put a reminder when price gets into this area. And yeah, so we're just waiting. As you guys are aware, trading is mostly just waiting. You wait for your setup and then you take it. Gold came into our area here as well. Waiting to see how it plays out. So we'll see. Now, we have this like 9 to 9:30 window where price is going to start setting up. So if there's going to be a crazy push today, it should be from this area. It should be. For all we know, because it's Tuesday, price might just completely push through the floor here. Why is this happening? There you go. Completely push through the floor here. Okay, but anything is possible. Anything is possible. We need to see it start, you know what I mean? Giving us some pattern recognition so we can start understanding what's going on. All right, so we're just going to wait. We're going to be patient and see what happens. There you go. So price is pushing towards the downside heavily. Let me go back to show you guys. Okay, now you guys know US 30. By now you've seen me trade it a couple times. Bro, your game stream time is midnight for me. Oh, shoot, I didn't know that. I did not know that, bro. My fault, my fault. Maybe next time I'll do it early. Okay, so Mr. R, what time is it for you right now? Like where you are? Because it's true, a lot of you guys are from the other side. Oh, wow. Price is just falling through. A lot of you guys are from like the other side of the earth. And so time zones can be a little tricky. But like I was saying, guys, you know how US 30 moves. You might see something like this. All for it to still go back up. It does that quite a bit. All right, so we're just going to be patient and see what happens. And just take it from there. Just take it from there. We'll go back to gold real quick to see. So gold is kind of doing a bit of the opposite. It's coming to this zone and it's respecting the zone and it's going up. US 30 said, I don't care what you marked up. In India 637. Oh, it's in the evening for you. Oh, wow. Wow. So do you trade London session then, Mr. R? Very interesting. Very interesting. Let me zoom out here so you guys can see what we're looking at. Again, I'm bullish on gold. At least for this session. Right? Overall, overall I'm still bullish. Overall, I'm still bullish. I'm anticipating price might break towards the upside. So we'll see. We'll see. Yes, we trade both London and New York. Ah, got you. That's nice that you guys have both opportunities to trade. My goodness. All right, so US 30 might be coming back to retest this area. Unless it wants to, with this gap, which I doubt, but we'll see what happens. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. Let me just mark it up just in case. Just in case. Morning and evening. Nice. That's really fire. Can't believe that's the gap it wants to use. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let's go back to gold real quick. All right, so gold. You guys remember the trade we took? You guys saw it. You saw it all over my Instagram. You saw it on the YouTube shorts. That last gold trade made me say, I don't want to trade gold ever again. That was such a brutal trade. Took us like an hour and a half for a 1 to 2. Can you imagine if we were holding for like a 1 to 5? My goodness. And I'm anticipating that US 30 might come back to retest this zone as well. So we'll see. We will see. We will see. We will see. What's going on, lovely people? How y'all doing? There's six lovely people in here. There you go. Shosho, what's good? Morning, peeps. What's good, Shosho? What it do? Shosho, what time is it where you are? What time is it where you are? Yo, Fauci, what's good? What's good? Fauci say yes, sir. Fauci, I don't know if you saw my Instagram stories. I wished you and who's the other person? Gosh, I forget. But there was 2 Canadians that I mentioned. And I said shout out to you guys for Thanksgiving. I give you guys a happy thing. I shouted you guys out for a happy Thanksgiving. Shoshu said 10:08 a.m. or p.m. I suspect that's p.m. Let me know, Shoshu. Oh, it was Abdul. It was Fauci and Abdul. That's who it was. Yes, sir. Let me get my coffee. Grab your coffee, bro. Started earlier today because yesterday I didn't get to stream with you guys. Bro, yesterday I was trying to game with you guys. Okay, spend some time with the family. Then I'm like, okay, I got a couple hours. Let me game with you guys. Bro, it took me forever. I ended up not making it work, bro. I was streaming. I ended up just telling you guys, you'll just meet me on Twitch. But it seemed like everybody was either occupied or it was late. Like, for example, Mr. R said when I was streaming, he was sleeping because of his time zone. So, show 10 a.m. Oh, okay. You're an hour ahead. Gotcha. 1 hour faster than you. Yeah. Got you, Shosho. Got you. So, guys, this morning I marked up these zones. Well, this one particularly. This one I just put here because I'm like, price seems like it might respect that. But I guess price wants to come all the way back down here. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Now, I mean, the pattern, to be fair, the pattern is one of those where, like, when you have something like this after coming from an uptrend, you usually do get a break to the downside. That's fair. But I was anticipating a little bit of a retracement at the very least. But here's another thing as well. You guys have heard me say multiple times that I don't do one thing. I do not trade on Tuesdays. And this is a prime example why. US 30, all the other pairs we mark up, they usually follow suit. On Tuesdays, especially for index pairs, I don't know what it is. They just don't follow anything. They just do whatever they want. What do you think about AUD USD? Seems like a potential upcoming trade. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right. Very interesting. We back up just a little bit. I see. Here's where we are in the market. So, I mean, there's a bit of a zone right here, right? A little one, and I say little one just because I don't like the consistency of it. Where we at? I would like it like, let me see if I can get it. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, it's nice. It goes through, but I don't like the way price responded around that area. Usually you want it to be like when it tapped, it shot up. When it tapped, it shot down. Like, clear. You know what I mean? But this will do for now. Okay, so let's go back down to the 1 hour. Okay, we can see prices over here. We've been coming from a nice trend of lower highs and lower lows, right? And then it went sideways a little bit. Okay, all of this is just price being indecisive. And then we finally got not really a break, but a push towards the downside and right back up. Okay, so what we need to figure out is if price is going to continue or if it's going to break. That's what we really need to figure out. Okay, considering the fact that we've been bearish, that's definitely a strong point. But we also need to consider this zone because it's been quite a contentious zone, at least in the last, when was this? This was May. All right, so give or take the last April, May, 6 months or so, price has been respecting this zone. So we might get one of these where price starts breaking structure towards the upside, right? So let's go on to the 15-minute. Yeah, we might get one of those. We can also see here. So this is what we got to look out for first. We got to see how price responds to this particular zone. Okay, if price gives us a nice push towards the downside, it's probably going to come back and retest here. If not, we might get one of these. Okay. And as you can see too, there are no bullish gaps. So that tells me that, you know what I mean, we don't really have any room to really work with to go towards the upside. So if price does start shooting this way, I'm just going to wait till it gets here. There's nothing here for me to say, let me take this, or, you know what I mean, towards the upside. So my POI on gold is 26.41. Got you. We'll take a look at it just now. All right, so there's a chance we might get, you know what I mean, one of these. What were you thinking, Shosho? Were you thinking to sell or buy? Let me know. Your POI, brother, is at 26.41. So like right here. Ah, interesting. Let's there we go. Got you. Yeah, it's kind of close to that support level. Nice. Nice. Let me check US 30 real quick. Yeah, US 30 just said to hell with y'all. Thanks, man. Short at the FEG potentially. Got you. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah, you gotta wait that out, Shosho. I don't know, man. I don't know. Very interesting morning. Guys, Shosho saying what's up to y'all. Say what up back. So we'll see. We'll see, Shosho, if we can get a short in here. Gold may give us... I don't like the fact that it didn't break this low, though. See what I'm saying? So I'm gonna stay out of that one for now. And then AD USD just continuing to go towards the upside. Shosho, not great. Still happen, but not great. US 30 starting to push up. This is going to be very interesting. I don't even want to take a trade from here, to be honest. Even if it kind of sets up the way I want, I would just leave it alone. I'll just leave it alone. Yeah. I mean, anything's possible. It could still retrace from there, but still. It's, you know what I mean? Just taking a good look, you can tell because of where we're at that there's going to be good momentum towards the upside. So that's why I was like, let's wait to see what it does around here. Up here is where we can start to, maybe it might give us a bullish gap that we might be able to take towards the upside. We'll see. We will see. Oil looking good. We were just looking at oil. There you go. Look at gold. Gold's starting to take off from that zone. US 30 starting to move up as well. All right, let's take a look at oil real quick. Gotcha. I'm waiting for oil to retrace to this level, Fauci. Other than that, I ain't touching it. I'm waiting for oil to retrace to that level. Other than that, I'm going to leave it alone. All these US pairs, man. Go up at the same time, go down at the same time. Craziness. Yesterday, I went and paid for my Xbox subscription and everything, bro, just to game. I'm going to have to cancel it. Now I'm going to have to cancel it. So yeah, guys, let's take a look at some other pairs, guys, while we wait. All right, there's no point of just looking at 3 pairs right now. GBP USD shooting towards the moon. Very nice, even though I hate that pair. Euro JPY just following this channel very nicely. There's nothing I want to get into for Euro JPY because of where we're at. Price is just going between this range. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Everybody knows ranging markets are not the best markets. It feels like I can't trade anymore. Why? Yeah, I think Fauci's asking you as well, unless Fauci's talking to me. But why are you saying that, Shosho? GBP USD. Sorry, GBP CHF. Same thing kind of going on here. Price is not really in a place where I can look for a point of interest. I don't really have anything that this was the last point, but it's just not in a place where I want to start testing stuff. So I'm gonna leave that alone. Wait for a bit more structure before we start playing around there. AUD JPY, kind of same thing. Kind of same thing, but this looks like it might do this though, to be quite honest with you. Oops, this looks like it might, and then eventually. So that's interesting. That's very interesting. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe. Mark up a couple zones here real quick. Let's see what it does here first. We'll put an alert there. Really? Really? That's interesting. Seems like I can't enter or analyze the market properly or have the confidence. But to be honest, I don't have a trading plan. Okay. You guys want us to help Shosho build a trading plan? So Shosho, give me 3 to 5 things you look for before you enter a trade. Just any random 3 to 5 things. Fauci said I knew it. Pacho, why are you saying I knew it? What a dead market today, bro. I don't know what it is. Recently, the markets have just, the volume is like dead. You're not really seeing much. Which probably explains why it took us like 3 years to hit that gold TP. All right, guys. So AUD USD is blown past there. We got to see what happens in the next 9 minutes. Oh, you knew it because you were in the same shoes. Got you. Got you. So when he said he doesn't have a trading plan, that's why you said you knew it, because you're like, it must be because you don't have a trading plan. I see. All right, let's go look at something else real quick. GJ, what's GJ saying? Yes, it is the fourth quarter, Fauci. And you already know how these seasons be. Not so great. Not so great. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ is kind of doing the same thing. Right? So you got to wait till something breaks. What a market. Okay. NQ. Looking nice, brother. Looking very nice. So we got to wait to see what happens the next 15, but it's a couple spots we could take. Adib, what's good? What's good? What's good? Why so early? Because I wasn't here with you guys yesterday, so I tried to go live a little earlier just to, you know what I mean, make up for the time lost with you guys. That's my way of saying sorry, y'all, for not giving you guys a day of live streaming. It's been so boring, bro. Maybe you know what? Maybe I will keep my Xbox subscription. Maybe when I'm not live streaming and I'm trading by myself and I'm just watching the market, I might just kick on my Xbox and just wait till it gets to my zones and do what I got to do. ADJPY. It's like frozen. US 30. Look, we have 8 minutes until market open. Look how this thing is moving. This is nuts. This is nuts. How was you guys' weekend? I wasn't here with you guys on the weekend. You guys saw where I was. If you saw my Instagram stories, you guys saw where I was. My weekend was pretty good, man. Pretty good. How was you guys' weekend? Keep my subscription? Who's gonna game with me? I don't want to game by. Yesterday I was playing Call of Duty. Because I was playing some COD because, you know what I mean? Nobody to game with. Did you eat a lot of turkey? Not a single bite of turkey, bro. My wife is from the Caribbean. My sister-in-law was here as well. So what we did was they made baked chicken, corn pie, coleslaw, macaroni salad, stew beef, and a whole bunch of stuff. Mashed potatoes, a whole bunch of stuff. They made a whole bunch of stuff. So, but no turkey. Studying. What does that mean, Fauci? You'll have to catch me up on that lingo. I'm not familiar. I am not familiar. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Black Owl. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? What did you guys do for the weekend? Yo, you know what, guys? I might buy a PS5 just because of Dragon Ball. What is it? Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, I think it is. That game is going, like, it's trending. It's viral. Studying, working on my skills. Got you. Studying, like, studying. Oh, got you. Studying. Okay, got you. Got you. Yeah, I might buy it just for that. I don't even play games like that anymore, to be honest with you. But everybody seems to be having fun with that game. I can't tell you the last time I played any fighting games at all, so we'll see. That sounds so good, fam. You getting me hungry. Oh, my fault. I'm trying to fast all day. Oh, shoot. My fault, Fauci. Hey, the Lord be with you, Fauci. The Lord be with you. Do your best. Do your best. 925. Look at the markets. Oh, my gosh, bro. Hey, baby. Yeah, my wife is bad, bro. Oh my gosh. Where were we, guys? Got distracted. Okay, sounds good. I'm trying to fast today. Bro, you know Alex G 1 mil today. Oh wow, he finally did it. Woo! Oh man, that's a massive accomplishment. That's a massive accomplishment. That's a massive accomplishment. Fake or not, you know what I mean? That's a massive accomplishment. I don't have one yet, but I'm a cop one when I get some funsies. Got you, got you. Dean, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Guys, it's just been, I'm just basically waiting for market open here for these two, but this guy's like frozen in time. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's gonna open in 2 minutes, so let's see. Let's see what happens when market opens. In fact, let me see if I can show you guys both. That way you guys can react to US Open and US 30. Yeah, there we go. All right, so you guys will be able to see how they both respond to market open. Unless it's just one of those days where there's no volume at market open, that would be weird. Dean said, Wagwan. So you guys will get to see in the next 2 minutes how they both respond. Okay, so US 30, as you can see, sorry, not US 30, NAS is already starting to move with some momentum, with some force. So that's strong. That's strong. That's why I said we had to wait to see what happens in the next 2 minutes, because it could completely just tank within the next 2 minutes and a lot of this structure would change. So we'll see what happens. US 30 surprisingly is moving with no volume. And I told you guys of the three, US 30 is usually the most violent. Bro, can you check the question I DM you in Discord and show me an example of that question? Yes, I can. Just give me a couple minutes. I want to see what happens after market open. All right, we got 1 minute. 1 minute in it. USD CAD looks good. I bet. Take a look at that in just a sec. Instead of AUD JPY. Let me see something. I wonder what it's gonna do to this. Let's just see what happens here. Will the blaster, will it respect it? Let's see. Oh wow, look at this. Market open. So here's US 30. There we go. Here's NAS. Very interesting. So yeah, just completely blasted through. I would say today Nas has moved with way more force than US 30. US 30 is weak sauce today. Complete violation. So that's why I said we have to wait to see what happens in the next couple minutes, because now here's the next 15-minute candle starting. We got to see how this builds. All right, what it's going to do in this structure and take it from there. US 30 is just playing around. Is it this chart? Why is it acting like it's frozen? I think it's frozen. There we go. All right. Okay, guys, let's take a look at some other things, because today's man, today is just not looking great. Let me get rid of this real quick. Now it's pushing back up, and then US 30 is pushing down from there. All right, let's go take a look at USD CAD. Oh, nice. Now we got to be careful here. We might want it to break here first, but even then, we have to be super duper careful. Adib, your question, the answer to your question is both. But on a serious note, you want to make a trading plan first. Without a trading plan, your journal is going to be full of L's. Guys, look at this. Look at this, bro. It's respecting the life out of this trend line. All right. So, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was like, if I was by myself today, I'd pop on the Xbox and just game. But I have work to do too, so I'd probably just get work done. But I literally, I can't tell the last time I wanted to end the stream. It's one of those days, bro. It's just so boring. So boring. Market's not looking great today at all. At all, man. It's just, and you know, days like this after like a bank holiday, it's kind of like that. Sometimes it'll move with speed and try and kill everything that it missed the day before. Or it'll just continue in its slow. And the other thing too is that I feel like because elections are coming soon in the US, the market is gearing for it. That's what I personally believe. Don't ask me why. I don't have any like specific reasons why. I just feel like that's the case. Yeah, good things, man. How are you looking? I'm looking at the chart. Yeah. What a morning. Very interesting price action, bro. Yo, what's good, Verd? What's good? What's good? What's good? What it do, Verd? What it do? The market today is just... Okay, let me get off of AUDJPY. It's just not doing nothing today. Oil went the other way. We good. I want to say this, guys. You notice how, like, if price doesn't get to my point of interest and starts going away, you notice how I never chase the trade? It's one or the other. All right, guys, don't chase your trades. You're going to end up with some nasty L's. Don't chase your trades. Let it come to you. Because then that's how you know that your analysis was correct. If it goes away, then you were incorrect, or it just wasn't one of those days. I have to suggest I'm away from chat to make a trade strategy and back test it. And bro, I'm very grateful for that suggestion. You're welcome, Adib. Go do your thing. Go do your thing, brother. It's all goody. It's all goody. GJ not doing much. Shamim September said, there Nas go. Yeah, we were just looking at Nas just now. Hold on, let me show you. Where is it at? Oops. Yeah. So there we go. Right? Came down into the zone, pushed up. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. If there was anything to... One, it's Tuesday, so I'm not going to touch it. But if there was something to get into, this would not be it for me. So we'll see what happens. So GJ, nothing really going on. Tabo Oxy said real. What's good, Tabo? What's good, what's good, what's good? What's good? US 30 just plummeting. Sorry, bro, that was for Fauci. Oh, my fault. My fault. The markets today are just, they don't have much to offer. I didn't even mark up SPX 500. That's how you know. Just nothing, bro. It's just a world of nothingness right now. Gold came into our zone and pushed up. This is the only thing that was somewhat promising. Somewhat. This was the only setup for today that was somewhat promising. Hey, my brother. Empower Hour, my brother. Yo, Empower Hour, where are you from? If you don't want to answer, it's all good, man. Because I know some people are kind of private about their details. But if you don't mind me asking, I'd love to know where you're from. Shout out to you, my brother. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How's it going? It's going well. How about yourself, sir? How about yourself? Hope you had a great weekend. I don't know if you're from Canada, US, Europe, Africa, Asia, wherever. But hope you had a great weekend. It was Thanksgiving for us here in Canada, so I spent some time with the family. Yesterday, I bought a subscription for this and paid for all these things so that I can stream and game with you guys. And it didn't work out, so... But Fauci said I should keep my subscription, so maybe we'll find a way to make it work. Who knows? Bro. Shout out to you, bro. I didn't rap. Shout out to you, bro. That's fire. Where in Ghana are you from? That makes sense, bro. My man, when we were trading gold, he was giving off some prophetic vibes. I know Ghanaian people don't play, bro. When it comes to prayer and God, they don't play. I heard a Ghanaian prophet one time say on the radio, I know you're tomorrow. I know you're tomorrow. That's hilarious. That's fire, bro. Shout out to you. That's real dope. So yeah, guys, gold is the only one that kind of had any decent, reaction to what we marked up. Like I said, Tuesdays never really follow my stuff. That's why I don't trade. Hey, Charlie. Dean knows, but Dean is Nigerian though. Don't let Dean fool you. The other day, Dean told me he was Canadian. And I'm here giving him a huge shout out. Shout out to all my Canadians, Dean. He's like, oh, no, I'm just saying. Shout out to Canadians. I said, hey. Volta region. Is that where you're from? But staying in Accra currently. Yo, okay. My wife, last year, my father passed around this time. We were in Ghana, right? For the funeral. We stayed in Takrady. And then we went to Accra. My wife and we stayed at I think, if not the highest, one of the highest 5-star hotels in Accra. Accra is chef's kiss. Beautiful. Takrady, on the other hand, potholes, sweat, bro. In Takrady, your skin sticks together even after you shower. It's just different heat. Different heat, bro. So yeah, Accra is beautiful. The next time I come, because my wife wants to go, and I want to bring some of my other relatives too for them to see, because my wife is from the Caribbean, so all that side is from the Caribbean. I want them to go see Ghana, bro. Ghana is beautiful. Oops. So yeah, that's fire. That's fire. R.I.P. Papa. Yeah, thank you guys. Listen, I'm not gonna talk about my dad again. Somebody said the same thing last time and said, bro, sounds like your dad was a great man. I started talking about him. I started crying on stream. I'm not crying on stream again. Thank you, Dean. That's enough. I'm not gonna cry on stream, bro. I don't want to cry on stream. So, thank you. Appreciate it. Shout out to you guys. You guys are the best. Like I tell everybody, my wife knows, the whole world knows, I have the best community on YouTube. So shout out to you guys. But yeah, I hope to go back to Ghana at some point soon, but there's a lot of places to go, to be honest. Before the year is over, I might travel to I'm going to 2 places already. There might be 2 more, to be honest. Thank you, Adib. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, man. The chart today, bro. See? Look at Nas. Right back up, right back down. It's Tuesday. And it's after a bank holiday. I don't expect anything more. Let's go look at some other things. I need this to close strongly above this for me to start taking it seriously. So we'll see what happens in the next 20 minutes. US 30 just said screw everybody. They don't care about nothing. And the crazy part about US 30 is that sometimes it can do all of this just to go back up, right? So I'm gonna wait it out and see what's going on there. Gold, we're already looking at gold. Bro, can you check the Discord? Yes, you're right. You're right. You are right. DM'd me, he said. Adib, what did he say? Guys, I have a question. I imagine I have 30 on account, leverage 1 to 200. My margin is $5. Many every trade I take is worth. No, Adib, that's not correct. If your margin requirement is $5 for that pair, then it means that you can't trade with less than $5 in your account for that pair. But I could be misunderstanding the question. But anyways, I take it's worth $5. I imagine I take a trade that's worth $5, put my stuff on high. So if I lose that trade, I'll lose 10 to 15. But if I win that trade, I'll win 20 to 30. So my R is 1 to 2, but I'm doing it wrong. If I'm wrong, does that mean that if I take a trade, then I'll do my stuff? Yo, Adib is stressing. Can you show me an example how to do it? All right, Adib, we're gonna have to gosh, I wish I can open an account, like a demo account, to show you. But guys, here's Adib's question. Okay, I'm going to copy it and then paste it on TradingView. Before I do that, Adib, do you mind me bringing this up to the chart, like pasting your question here? If you give me the permission, I'll do something that we can show you how to do it. When you come, let me know. I have an account. Join for us to go and enjoy, bro. Bro, shout out to you, bro. That is so fire. I will definitely let you know. I have an account from Ghana too. Where's my card? My wallet's not in here. I have an account in Ghana as well. But yeah, man, that is fire. I'll definitely let you know. That is so fire. There's another guy from Ghana too who hit me up on Instagram. Solid brother, bro. He's from the UK. Solid brother. Gosh, what was his name? I forget. Something beats. I forget his name, but he's fire as well. Super solid dude. All right, let's continue here. Adib, let me know if you want me to put this up here, because I don't want to show your stuff. I crave try Ice Kinke and watch it. Hope I spelled that right. No, Kinke is incorrectly. Watch is correct. Right? I think watch is correct. Oh, I took it back. No problem, bro. Okay, good. Adib, let's help Adib with this question here. All right. So this is Adib's question. He says, guys, I have a question. Imagine I have a $30 account with leverage of 1:200. My margin is 5, meaning every trade I take is worth $5. I don't think that's yeah, the Kinke is still not spelled correctly, but we'll deal with that after. I don't think that's what that means. Okay, the margin, let me see if I can show you. I don't want to open some of my accounts here on live. That's the only issue, because a lot of my information's on there. But let me see. Adib, give me a sec, okay? Let me see if I could pull up something that can explain this better to you. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Guys, I'm going to have to take this off for a moment. In fact, oh, shoot, my fault. My fault, guys. My fault. Let me do this real quick. All right, so you'll still see me. I meant it cost me $5. No, that would be commissions. Commissions is what would cost you $5. Okay, but just bear with me. Let me see if I can find a good example for you. Give me 1 moment here. Oops, wrong one. What the heck is going on here? Okay, let me see if I can find this for you. 1 second, Adib. All right, for everybody, you know what? Here's what I'll do. Instead of having you guys stare at a blank screen, which is terribly wrong. Let me do this instead. Let me do this instead. That'd be better. That'd be better for you guys to see. All right. So that way I can do what I got to do on this side and you guys can still look at the market. All right, Adib, I'm gonna show you. I think the trade is worth $1,000. No, Adib, I think you're confusing certain things. All right, so let me see if I can show you here. Adib, can you let me know what pair you're trading, by the way? What pair are you trading? Risk to reward ratio 1 to 2 R means you're risking $1 to potentially gain. No, in power hour, he's risking, if he's risking $1, he's risking to gain 2. I think you added an extra 1. This can be profits generally commenting for a higher R, like 1 to 3 or even 1 to 5 to increase. Okay, we'll talk about like what's recommended after, but I think what he's trying to figure out, because he brought up this question before in power, I think at that time you weren't, sorry guys, 1 sec. Okay. Yeah, so he brought up this question before, right? And he was basically saying like, if he takes a trade for 1 to 2, right, he's risking like $15, but he's only making like 20, sometimes 5 or 10. So his risk to reward one was off, but I think his risk altogether was off, because if you're risking 15 and your RR is a 1 to 2, then you should be making $30. So so your GBP, okay, cool. Your GBP, give me 1 second. I'm gonna pull it up for you here. Euro GBP, where you at? Okay. Okay, so you see you have $30 in the account, correct? Okay, cool. Cool. So let me just all right, let me see if I can do this for you, Adib. Give me 1 second. All right, Adib. Okay, so here is what I got pulled up here for you, okay? If you have $30 in your account, right? This is a margin calculator. We won't get into other things right now, which I'll show you after, but this is a margin calculator, okay? This is what tells you how much you need in your account before you can open a certain position, okay? So for example, if your required margin is showing as $10 or $11, it means this is how much you need in your account before you can open a position this size. If you wanted to open 0.05, okay, you need $27. You see what I'm saying? So this is margin. This is your margin requirement, meaning how much money you need, right, in order for you to open a position. Because what the bank is giving you is 200 times your dollar. Okay, so if you do the math of, let's say, 27.29 and you multiply that by 200, this is how much you're trading with. Okay, they're giving you the purchasing power of 5,500 basically. Why? Because in Forex, unless you use a lot of money, you're not going to be able to take advantage of the difference in, or what we call pips. You're not going to be able to take advantage of it because the changes in the market, when we see these big candles and stuff like that, we think is huge. It's not that big. If you actually had like a 100K account and you were trading with just 100K leverage, like 1-to-1, you wouldn't notice that much of a difference. So that's margin, okay? So if you're risking a 1-to-2, okay, I'm going to go back to this application here real quick. If you're risking a 1-to-2, go back here real quick. If you're risking a 1-to-2, go to TradingView real quick, right? My lot is normally 0.01, no problem. If you're risking a 1-to-2, right? When you go to enter, by the way, maybe this is the issue. What platform are you using to trade? Let me know that. That will help me out tremendously. Are you trading on, MetaTrader, DXTrade, CTrader? What are you trading on? Because that will make all the sense to me, I feel like. Thank you so much, babe. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you too, baby. Bye. No, not the broker. Are you using MetaTrader? Are you using DXTrade? Are you using TradeLocker? Are you using CTrader? What are you using? Yo, is Empower Hour still on here? I want to ask him a question. If you are, say yes for me, please. I'm going to ask you something that only you might know because you're probably the only Ghanaian on here. Dean. Yes, okay. Empower, do you know what Tetel? Do you know what Tetel is? Tetel. Is it Tetel? Yeah, I think it's Tetel. They have their platform. So let me get this straight. XNES has their own platform that's not CTrader, not MetaTrader, nothing. Tetel. Let me see if I can explain it. It's like no, it's not like Kilowilly. Tetel. How do I explain Tetel? You know what? No? Okay. I'll find a better way to explain it to you. I know you know what I'm talking about. It's just the name might be different because you say you're from Volta region. What's the called? What's the local dialect or language there? Because I know it's different in every region. The spelling is like literally like this. Please give me this spelling. And yummy. Thank you. Oh, we have Killer Willy too here. Oh, wow. Killer Willy. See? Man's know about Killer Willy. All right. Let me check Discord real quick. All right, guys. I'm going to check Discord. Oh, I see. So, but they're using like TradingView. Okay. So, Adib, how would you do me a favor, Adib? Show me a screenshot of when you go to open an order. You speak Ewe. Oh, I have a brother-in-law who speaks Ewe. I see. Okay. I'll find out from you from him and get back to you. But let me see if I could describe it real quick. after I finish chewing. Okay, think of Tetal as like, it's like pancakes, but it's made with like ripe plantain or plantain, however you want to call it. Okay, Tetal, and it's flat. It's like pancakes. It's not too flat. It's just like pancakes, but it's made with like ripe plantain. We call it Tetal. Adib, I'm waiting on you in the meantime. All right, gold, US 30. Let's go check out Nas. Nas. What kind of madness is this, bro? Hey, yo, to all my Africans on here, I sent you, okay, got you. Please tell me you've seen this movie. It's the best movie ever, bro. Please tell me you've seen this movie. Asafia in London. That's the best movie ever. All right, let me check. Adib. Okay, guys, let me just bring this up so you guys can see it as well. All right, let me open this up 1 second. Okay, this is what Adib has going on here. All right, Adib, send me a screenshot, right? With it, is it possible to expand this menu here, because you should be seeing more information than just the price and the options for pending and stuff. If you can expand it, use pending, put in the lot size, put in your TP and your stop loss. It should tell you how much you're risking per trade. Okay, and then let me know. Man, that sounds yummy, bro. I'm telling you, Tetel is fire, bro. I noticed that traders who stream tend to be more profitable because they exhibit patience and only trade when their edge is present, bro. And Power Hour, if you've been here, I think you've not been here as long as everyone else, but you'll see. Like, I went almost 1 week one time without trading. I will wait for my setups. Today, for example, Tuesday is a day I don't trade. Everybody who's here knows I don't trade on Tuesdays. And some days they'll have great setups, and I'll take a paper trade to show what my setup would look like, but I don't rush my trades. Patience pays. I try my best to be patient because, in fact, last week, just to get things going, I'm like, bro, we haven't taken a trade in a while. Let me take some trades. I lost 2 trades. I got them back, but it was dumb. I don't trade like that. I always wait for my setups. So thank you for pointing that out. The accountability of having an audience like makes them more disciplined and cautious. Hope I'm correct. This is the interesting thing. I've spoken to other very good what's called thesis or theory, by the way, but I've spoken to other traders who say that when they're doing their own challenges, the way they trade is way different from even when it's not live, just recording. So if they record like, hey guys, I took this trade today and here was the result, they said the fact that people are going to be watching their progress makes them trade differently. And in the beginning, it was a little weird for me, to be honest, because I'm like, man, because what you start to notice is like, if I go 3-4 days without trading, you know what I mean? Like it's not entertaining for the audience. So you start trying to find ways to make your content more engaging. But if you don't have that issue at all, then yes, you can, I guess having people watch you can make you more patient for sure. For sure. I'm definitely trying to be more patient for sure. But some do fumble though. I guess it depends on the individual. Remember Don Vo? True. I mean, Don Vo, you guys, I've spoken to some brokers, and I spoke with a broker recently that offered me a deal. Okay. And when you see the numbers that some of these guys are offering you, you can see why Don Vo did what he did. The reason why Don Vo did what he did, I got to find out the broker he used. But if it's the broker I know, then the reason why Don Vo did what he did is because off of those trading executions alone, this guy made a nasty bag. An unbelievable bag. Yes, Adib, I'm going to check it out. Okay, Adib, perfect. You see that? You guys remember the video that I just did for you guys showing you how to manage your risk on trading on Match Trader? This is how you do it. So now, Adib, you can see there's no reason why you should be risking $5 or $15 and making $3. This tells you you're going to risk about $1. You're going to make almost $4. Excellent risk to reward. I think this should be good enough for you, Adib. Start using pending orders, not to execute, just to get an idea. And then you can go back to the market and execute at that point and set your TP and stop loss there. Okay? So I hope that makes sense for you. He used blueberry. Oh, wow. You know what, guys? You know what? Let me see if I can find. Let me see if I can find what their stuff is. Oops, wrong one. Let's go check out blueberry. Give me 1 second, guys. Just bear with me, guys. I'm trying to find this thing here. They probably won't show it here. But let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. All right. So what are commission fees in Forex trading? Right? Commission fees, blah, 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 blah. Different type of commission structures in Forex. Okay. Why do brokers charge commissions? What do traders get when they pay for commissions? Okay. Let me go back to here. Where was it? So affiliate commission already, just from affiliate, meaning you just put a link in your description, they're going to give you 20%. Right? 20% of the sign up. Okay. So if everybody put in $100, right? And you get 20%, you get $20 per sign up. And let's do the math. I mean, what's 10,000? Oh, let's do 1,000. Let's do 1,000 die $20. Simple math, 20K. Right now, this is like on the extremely low end, because from what I understand, he made easily over $1 million just from those transactions. And it's because what I want to show you is that some of these brokers, guys, they offer, like, it depends. Sometimes they'll offer you $100 per sign up. Sometimes $1,000 per sign up. Sometimes $500 per sign up. It really depends. And for somebody of Don Vo's status, he wasn't making anything under $1,000 per sign up. So you can imagine. You see what I'm saying? How that went for everybody else, and how that went for him. Max Power said, what did he do? So basically, you're going to have to go watch it. But basically, he got, it's called a MAM account, I think. Right? I think it's a MAM account. But long story short, just imagine everybody on this stream is like, hey, bro, can you trade for me? Or I tell you guys, you know, I'm a really good trader. You don't have to trade for yourself. Connect all your accounts, your MetaTrader accounts to my master account. And whatever trades I take, you guys will make money too. So people have been watching him live for years. This is all allegedly, because I don't really know his story. The only thing I know is that he's from the same country as me. But long story short, he went, from what I understand, he's been trading live for a while. He's been very profitable. People see him as one of the best traders, blah, 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 blah. When he connected everybody's account to his MAM account, which is his master managing account or whatever, that it doesn't look like he was trading. It looked like a bot, because he executed like hundreds of trades within a short window of time and blew everyone's money, and then just ghosted everybody, right? And everybody knows that, well, most people who have broker deals understand that the brokers like when there's trading volume. So the more trading volume there is, the more money they're going to pay you. So basically off of that, those transactions he made where everybody, he blew, because I think, how much money did people invest with him? Was it like $1 million or something like that? It was a lot of money. You see what I'm saying? It was a lot of money. And he just, whatever, either he or the bot executed like 100 trades within like 5 minutes, and everybody's money was gone. People put in 100K, 60K, 40K, 20K, 10K, right? Allegedly. And everybody's money was, all their money was wiped within like 5 minutes. So everybody's like, bro, where you at, right? Because he didn't lose money. Just off of commissions alone, whatever he put in that account personally, he made it back 10 times over. You see what I'm saying? So It's a pretty nasty story, unfortunately. And Deep said, "Oh, now I see. Perfect. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome, bro." Yes, that can be true because brokers will surely pay him for the people he is bringing. Oh, 1,000%. 1,000%. I've had brokers reach out to me. The only brokers I recommend, guys, are the brokers I use. It's the same way. Anytime you guys ask me, what's the best prop firm? You know what I always recommend? FTMO, 5%ers, and maybe Alpha Capital because I'm trading with them right now. Other than them, I don't say anything else. Why? Because I've not used anyone else or I've not had a good experience with anyone else. For example, I'm not going to recommend TFT or TFF to you because we all know what happened with them, right? So I only recommend prop firms that I've used and had a good experience with, that I have long-standing history with. Same with brokers. People ask me all the time, bro, what's the best brokers? I only recommend 2. I use Fusion and another one called FP Markets. That's it. That's it. Okay? And Fusion is my number 1 recommendation. So if you ever see a link in my bio or in my videos, it's going to be for a prop firm that I have used personally and have good experience. So I'm not going to just... you guys, here's what everybody asks. How come you don't sell a course? It's because there's a Bible verse I love that says, a good name is better than riches. That's why. I don't want to sell you guys products that were half-baked or were not great. Now, it doesn't mean I can't make a great course, but I'm not interested in making a course. That's the truth. So if I sold you guys a course, it wouldn't be my best effort, which means the course itself may not be great, which means everybody would say what? Why are you selling a trash product? You're a scammer. You're this, you're that. I make money by myself. I don't really need anybody's money, but I am a business person, so I try to look for gaps in the market that I can fill with business. With my business acumen, I try to identify gaps in the market that I can use my skills and the tech that I have available to fill those needs. But I'm not here to grab a quick bag and disappear into the sun. I want to be able to walk down the street and people be like, yo, Foreign, what's good? And be like, it was good. I'm ducking because I took a bunch of people's money. So that's why. Every product I make on here, the bot that I'm making, the app that I'm making, the website I'm making, is all going to be to your benefit. And obviously it'll be your choice to buy or subscribe or not. But my whole point is, I would much rather put out things out there that are good, that actually help people, than to promote something that's trash, make a bag, and then disappear. I'm not going to be able to sleep at night like that. All right. I fear God. Let me just put it that way. I fear God. Adib, just because of you, I'm going to make sure that all my products are high security because of you. Yeah, a bunch of people have his course for free. The amount of people that have hit me up saying, yo, bro, you want his course? I have it. I'm like, nah, I don't want it. I'm good. I don't watch other traders. I don't look at new strategies. None of that. Thank you, Dean. All right, guys, ADJPY, we might get something in here today for a trade. Let's see. Yeah. But yeah, man, I think the way I'm going is the long route, right? Because I can come on here and promote the Discord. I can just turn on the subscription and make it so that people have to pay. And you might say, well, then I wouldn't be here. Yeah, but other people would pay. Just because it's not valuable to you doesn't mean it's not valuable to someone else. And to be quite honest, the information I give for free, a lot of you guys have hit me up saying you learned how to trade like me, or you saw how I was trading, it helped you, you're now profitable. I took the trades you took, now I'm passing. Like, all of this is for free. I can easily just turn off the thing and be like, that's it, everybody pay. But I'm not really like that. You know what I mean? So a time will come, there'll be other things that, you know what I mean? Kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Will pay for themselves. But right now, I'm more so about making products that last and that have longevity than selling a quick bag. Don't worry, bro. I'll kidnap you. I already have a sponsor. Bro, Adib, you're a wild man, bro. You're a wild man. You're a wild man. You're a wild man. But yeah, guys, so that's what it's about. Plus, everybody knows you don't wanna the people you don't want to take their money are Africans, bro. When they pray against you, it's a different situation, bro. Listen, this was in Toronto. A guy went to go, I'll never forget this. A guy went to go do groceries, right? For those of you who don't live in apartments, never lived in apartment buildings before, you know that like you have, yes, I'm looking at AUDJPY. You know that in apartment buildings, everybody shares a parking garage underneath in the basement. Everybody shares an elevator to go to their floors, and everybody shares a lobby. Okay? Shares a lobby. A lobby is the main area where you enter the building. So this Nigerian guy went to go do his groceries. He went to a grocery store called No Frills. And before you can enter the lobby, there's like a, how do I describe it? It's kind of like there's a word for it. I just can't remember the word. But basically, there's a place you drive that you can park at the front of the building and then enter or drop your people off. Like, so think of it as a drop-off area. And this Nigerian guy went to go do his groceries. He pulled up to the front and he started unloading his groceries by the elevator. By the time he parked his car and came back, his groceries were gone. All his groceries, like $300 worth of groceries. So the man came back. He left a note. Trust me, Verd. He left a note on the elevator that said, "This is a generational curse for whoever took my groceries." He said, "Your children will walk backwards. Your family will never eat. The swamp will never depart from your home. Thunder and fire and lightning will..." Yo, the curse was so long, bro. Tell me why 15 minutes later, man came back, his groceries were there. Africans don't play. They don't play. Just leave them. Like Vert said, if you're a scammer, go somewhere else. Go somewhere else, bro. Oh, Cells, Dean. Now, look, the reason why I'm not taking this trade too seriously, we're still in the channel. I want to see a break in one direction or the next, either here or here, before I do anything. But today's a slow day. I'm just looking at certain areas just to see if they'll hold. You know how I trade sometimes. All right, so we'll see what happens at this level. If it respects it, cool. If it doesn't, cool as well. All right, so here we are. Price is responding very nicely. This would be way too aggressive for me to get in, but we'll see what happens. NOS 100 dipped. Yeah, bro. Oops. There you go. All right, guys, this is what they're referring to with NOS. Okay, not my cup of tea right now. Not my cup of tea right now. Did you sell, Fauci? Fauci, that one's for you. All right, guys, we're gonna take 2 trades. I'll probably get into this one real quick. Guys, this is a paper trade. It's not meant to be a proper trade. Don't hop in. Oh, I think we missed the trade. Let's see. I'm going to put my entry right about here. Oops. And see what happens. Fauci hit TP. Look at gold, bro. Gold is, I told you, gold is the only one that had a good setup. So what I'm starting to notice about gold too on Tuesdays is that gold on Tuesdays is the only one that is a bit consistent with anything else. So what I might do is that I would trade gold only on Tuesdays and then the rest on the rest of the days. We'll see. But that'd be over sometime. All right, guys, we have somebody who hit TP this morning. We had Fauci hit TP. You guys already know. Everybody who's here, you're probably not new. We celebrate each other when we win, when we get some W's. So everybody, we're about to celebrate Fauci for hitting TP. He hit TP on Nas. So Fauci, let's put some W's in the chat for Fauci.
W's in the shot. W's in the shot.
By the way, let me make sure that the song can be heard. Yeah, okay, good. All right, so some W's in the chat for Fauci. And Fauci, my brother, congratulations to you.
Congratulations. I am happy.
Yes, sir.
For you, like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Yeah.
I celebrate you.
Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Fauci, good job. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Once again, a big congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
And as always, we're extremely happy for
We
you.
are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Yes, sir. Fauci, congrats. K-Dot, I just joined. K-Dot, you missed a lot, bro. We just took a 1 to 25 trade, bro. On a live account. Just made like 25 bands. Oh my gosh. You guys tell K-Dot how much he missed out. Why Adib's still trying to kidnap people? Because Adib's a criminal, bro. Adib's a full-out criminal. Oh my gosh. Boom. Boom. Yeah, Nas just continued to plummet. Damn, where's the chorus? Bro, I'm working on it, fam. It's called the 0 to a Millionaire in 30 Days chorus. You know what I'm saying? Bro, it's going to be fire, bro. It's going to change your life. If I was you, I'd get 24. Bro, listen, I'm thinking about it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Right now, it's just... It's getting crazy. It's getting out of hand. Plus, I have people actually trying to kidnap me, so that's nuts. That's nuts. Mouth zipped. Yeah, you missed a lot, bro. You missed a lot. You missed a lot. Fauci too. Fauci had a great. Fauci entered. I'll show you where Fauci entered, bro. We watched it live. He was able to like join the live stream, K-Dot. So Fauci literally entered like right here, and the reason why we just played the congratulations song, he just exited right there. Fauci pulled off a nasty trade. Fauci, shout out to you, man. Free drinks on Fauci, bro. This is crazy work. 0 to what? 0 to a millionaire. You heard what I said, Bert. Excellent trade, man. Shout out to Fauci. Fauci cooked the market. So yeah, man. I made like 25 bands this morning. Fauci made like, I don't know. Fauci, we were risking like 4%. So he made like 100K. You know what I'm saying? Just another day. Just another day. Yeah, bro, Fauci went nuts. And the crazy part is that Fauci stacked, you know. He had like one position here. He had like another one right there. He had like another one right here. And then he finally was like, bro, let me put in like a 50 lot right here. This is the one that really took it to like 100. He put like a 50 lot right here. Fauci went nuts, bro. Shout out to Fauci. So it's like a 1 to 27 for one position. The other positions, bro, you already know. He made a killing off of those. Put like a 50 lot right here. Fauci went nuts. Shout out to you, Fauci. Shout out to you. Facts, I called it. This is classic Forex trade, bro. You already know. ADJPY. Oh, shoot. What happened? It didn't tag me in? Or is it spread? Because some of these pairs have horrible spread. All right, guys. We're just going to take it like we're in or something. So I think I'm watching the wrong stream. Yeah, bro. Got to join Fauci's. But Fauci really like... Dog, you see this? Anyways, I already sent Fauci a list of all the things that I want. You know what I mean? I already sent him a list. Oh, now we're in. Oh, spread on here is terrible, guys. So that means if price gets up like around here, it's going to take us out. That's terrible. Anyhow. Yeah, man. Y'all missed it. Fauci entered like right here. Was it, Fauci, was it right at the top here or was it right here? I think it was somewhere like right here, like a 1 to 50, bro. He cooked. And like I said, he opened a position here. Okay, then he had a second position like right here, just a pure scalper, bro. He had another position right there, and then eventually when he got to like around here, he knew when it broke. 50 lot. Fauci went nuts. 50 lot. How many hundreds of thousands do you make, Fauci? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Free drinks on Fauci for sure, for sure. DJ, what's good, DJ? What's good? So yeah, Fauci went nuts, bro. 50 lot, I think a 20 lot right there. The first one was just like, you know, something like 5 lots right there. And then this one I think was like a cool 8 lots, something like that. Fauci went crazy. 241K, bro. Shout out to Fauci, bro. That's Fauci. I gotta play the goat sound for you.
The GOAT! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Yeah, man, he went nuts. He went nuts. He went nuts. Yeah, man. Yeah, just a cool 200K. Bro, Fauci. I think people are actually believing that you made 241K. You're back. Oh no, the level of my fault. Level of sarcasm. Yeah, because I'm like, bro, Verd? I'm like, nah. I just checked as soon as Dean put that in there. Yeah, Fauci, yo, listen. Fauci is crazy. Fauci, please. When can we buy your course? We would like to know. When's the release date for the course, bro? When's the release date for the course? Let us know, Fauci. We'd like to know. Fauci went crazy this morning. That last 50 lot he put in there was nuts, bro. I never seen so many numbers in my life. Yeah, man. Fauci went nuts. Nuts. Oh, shoot. This thing's almost at TP. Damn, that was quick. That was quick. It's not Fauci level, you know what I'm saying? It's not Fauci type trading. You know what I'm saying? It's not Fauci type level, but it's a little some light. Some light.
Jeez!
Some light. When you get profitable, stop lying to us, bro. You just made 241 bands, bro. What do you mean? Hey, you guys, type in the chat right now what you want Fauci to buy, bro. Let me start first. There you go, Fauci. This is what I want. Something light, bro. None easy for you. Bro, what is this? Easy for you, Fauci. Just, you know what I mean? Just wrap it up. Bow tie. Drop it at the house. I'm blessed. That's all I need, Fauci. That's it. Ain't nothing else, bro. Nothing. Light for you. 241 bands in a day. Shout out to you, bro. You killing it. You guys put in the chat. Comment down below what you guys want Fauci to buy you. Don't let him go for free, bro. He made 241 bands. Look at his entry, bro. Do I need to display it again? First entry right there. He put in like a 5 lot. Second entry right here. I think it was like 9 lots or something like that. Third entry right here. He put in like another 12 lots. And then finally, when he knew he was home free, 50 lots right here. The man went nuts today, bro. There we go. The Lambo. Come on, guys. Drop what you want in the chat, bro. Christmas came early. Thanks to Fauci. 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 You. Come on, guys. Drop it in the chat, bro. Let Fauci know what you guys want. Let him know. Let him know what you guys want, bro. Let Fauci know what you guys want. All right. Why are you guys letting him off the hook? You guys want to tell him what you want? Bro, the stream seems to be in the past. Oh, yeah, there's a massive delay for whatever reason on YouTube, bro. I just don't understand it. Let me see if I can figure out what's going on here. S24 Ultra. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. What else? That's all you want? That's light to Fauci, bro. That's all you want? Come on, dog. You gotta come better than that. 100 liters of pure oil. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. There we go. 100 liters of pure oil. 1 big bar of gold. You see? Fauci, this is light, bro. This is light. I just want a LaFerrari. Bird wants a Lambo. Kato wants 100 liters of pure. Make sure it's pure oil. Pure. Pure oil. That's it. Pure oil. And then Adib wants Adib is, you know, for somebody who likes to kidnap people, very generous, man. He just wants an S24 Ultra. Probably to videotape all his victims. Fauci said, ask God. Fauci, what are you doing? 100K prop firm for me. Oh, yeah, guys, by the way, we have to do a giveaway soon. I'm about to hit another milestone, so we'll probably do 2. All right, guys, just let me get situated. You guys will see at the end of this month and probably mid-November why things have been a little bit all over the place for me, but you guys will see. Yeah, man. 100K prop firm, Fauci. That's all they're asking, bro. Light work. Fauci said, ask God. Fauci, what are you doing? God put you on here for a reason. He knows that the prayers we've been praying to him, it won't come true. 241 bands in a day? Bro, shit of love, bro. What are you saying? Fauci S11's rain mixer, my G. There you go. DJ knows what he wants. I'll make it happen, bro. Well, we need to know for money. How about Fauci one day make a collaboration live? I might do a collab with all of you guys. Who knows? Who knows? I might bring you guys on. Somebody asked me the same thing the other day. Can we do like a video together? I'm like, yeah, in the future. People have talked to me about it. So in one day, I'll probably have to use a different platform though to invite you guys on. I don't know if I was using, I think Streamlabs would allow me. And I know that I think StreamYard also would allow me to just invite you guys to hop on. So yeah, man. Fauci, where'd you go? You're not, people are putting in their request and you are silent. You guys see that meme? We are making money and you are sleeping. Yeah, fam, I tried to draw the demo account. It said error. Yo, that's hilarious. Yo, it's probably a network thing, bro. Probably a network thing. Guys, we hit TP. Just so we can have a fun day, we're going to play the congratulations song, guys. We hit TP. Now, don't ask me for nothing. It was just a nice 1 to 2. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask me for nothing. We're going to play our congratulations song because we did something today. All right? So, congratulations to... Actually, nah, I'm going to save it. It's not a real trade. I can't take no congratulations for that. It's not a trade I took. It's just one that I was looking at. You know what I mean? Unlike Fauci. Fauci murdering the markets. Yeah, I guess. So, you guys, this one ended up playing out very well. As you guys can see, we got the reaction we're looking for. We got the setup. And price currently is at a 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Very nice. Hey, Nas tanking. I bet it's just going. It's just going. Fam, try to withdraw the 10K, fam. Yo, that's hilarious. So there you go, guys. We at least got a trade example today. Pretty nice. Some light. To be quite honest with you, my entry was going to be way above this, right? Oops. I wanted to actually enter like probably somewhere here, to be quite honest. But either way, it still would have been a 1 to 2. So it doesn't matter. It does not matter. Nah, play the song. Great setup and execution, fam. All right, guys. Since you guys want the song, we will, for hitting TP, we will play the song. What does it say we hit, right here? Whatever. Doesn't matter. All right, guys. Congratulations to us as a family, as a people, as a group, as a tribe. Congratulations. First off, let's get some W's in the chat, bro.
W's in the shot. W's in the shot.
All right. Congratulations, everybody who was here for the ride, beginning to the end. Foreign money family, stand up. Oh, my fault. My fault. I glitched.
I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations. Yeah, I celebrate.
Clap it up, bro. Each and every one of you guys, part of the history, part of the journey. Shout out to all you guys. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Once again, a big congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
And as always, we're extremely happy for each other.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Yeah, man. All right, shout out to everybody. Shout out to all you guys. So we at least got one trade in today. I'm saying not too bad. But the market is... Remember what I told you guys about Tuesdays? That Tuesdays, when the markets drop, it just continues to drop. Look what Nas is doing. Look what AEDJPY is doing. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold went the other way. I tell you guys all the time, like the days that move the most, Tuesday, Thursday, and sometimes Friday. Those days move the most. Especially with indices, you'll see like if it's falling, it'll just continue for the rest of the day to just continue falling. All right, Fauci is generous, bro. He could have easily got a 1 to 100 or something like that. He made what was it, 241 bands? Sheesh. So yeah, guys. Let me put this back up here. Don't want to make it seem like I held that long. It's just right here. 1 to 2 is all you need. Now, Empower Hour, are you still in here? Let me know. Love to know if you're still in here. Because you were talking about something about being patient and stuff with trading and all that stuff. And yeah, I could have taken this trade today. I didn't. Followed my rules. Followed my rules. And you guys, I always say younger. When I was new to trading, these used to kill me. I'd be like, bro, I should have held. No, you shouldn't have. You don't know what price is really going to do. We didn't mark this up properly. We just knew that this area might give us a reaction. That's all. But it's not like you broke out of here or you broke up. Like you don't really have much to go off. And plus, we didn't analyze this properly. If I had analyzed this and put my own to it, then I would have been confident to take the trade. But I literally said, should get a reaction right here. And then it did. Dean, DJ Ghana. Thank you. Thank you. Come on. What's it called? Dean, I know you're Nigerian. K-Dot. Is K-Dot Nigerian as well? Or is he like from Zimbabwe or Kenya? Something like that. I can't remember. Guys, look at Nas, bro. Look at Nas. Look at Nas. Look at Nas. Unbelievable behavior. Unbelievable. Let me go check US 30 because US 30 started dropping from time. There you go. US 30. So you guys remember I told you that sometimes one pair will move ahead of the other? Look at when US 30 started dropping. 745. It just continued to fall. Now it's reversing. Okay? DJ's not Ghanaian. No, I don't think so. And then Nas is now starting to fall. So maybe, just like US 30, we might see it start to retrace after a while. Never know. But sometimes they move like that. All right, guys. I think for opportunities, is that all? As the people in my country would say, opportunity. Guys, look at this, like clockwork. Gold respecting. That's a beautiful setup. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Yo, for those of you from Ghana or Africa, have you seen the guy that they call Mr. Eventuary? Please tell me you've seen him, bro. He's hilarious. They're like, sir, what is a laptop? He's like, laptop is something that you put on your lap and you shut it up. It's very simple. He's hilarious. You guys got to see him, bro. He's jokes. All right. GBP USD, my least favorite pair in the universe. Euro JPY doing what it does best, just moving within this range. Nothing really crazy. What a day. What a week. And then we have GPCHF also following suit. Wow, ADJPY really fell through. Sheesh. Bro, this could have been one of those to pass the challenge. Could have just passed the challenge in that one move. Would you look at that? Fauci's laughing. Yeah, you guys, I think it was Marcus. He was sending me a bunch of memes, and I keep telling him, seen it. The only memes I haven't seen are like mainstream type memes. But if it's an African meme, I've most likely seen it. It's all over my feed. Like my wife showed me a video yesterday where so this girl, her dad's Nigerian, right? But her mom is Jamaican. And she goes, Daddy, a boy likes me. Bro, that's all the man needed to hear. He's like, how dare you come and tell me that? He's like, you must be sick. Go and drink water and go to your room. Go and drink water. You are sick. Yo, it was hilarious. He was tripping, bro. African parents, my dad was the same way. You can't tell them about girls and boys, especially when you're young, bro. You gotta wait till like you're mad old before you can say, I'm talking to a guy or I'm talking to a girl. You cannot bring them those talks. It's hilarious. All right, guys. So the market is doing what the market does best. Oh, there it is. I'm just gonna like, while we out here just chilling and looking for setups. The boy is dead. Trust me, bro. The guy said, "Who's that boy?" I don't even want to know him. I don't even want to see his face, bro. That boy meets her father. He's cooked. While we're in the market, I'm just gonna do a little controller cleanup. You know what I'm saying? Bro, yesterday when I played COD, oh my gosh, bro. All my games were like, I had one game where I was negative ratio. The other games I was break even or like slightly above. I was getting cooked, but I suck at COD now. I used to be very decent. Like quick scoping and all. Used to be. At one point, I was legit quick scoping, but it's something that's just so hard for me to do. So, some people are really good at it. I'm just, like, I have streaks where I'm like, all right, I'm killing this. But other than that, run and gun type person, type player. Bro, I think AJ will fall more. Look at the 4 hour. Let's take a look. Oh, you remember we were talking about this earlier? We were just talking about this, that based on the way price is going like this, we should get it to do this. You remember? We were just saying that this morning. So I agree with you. Thanks for having us look back at that for sure. We just got to see how it responds to this level because it's been a little finicky around here. But man, if it breaks past this, what we might get is a strong push, maybe a little bit of a tease, might even do this a little bit, but then eventually it should come back down. JPYs look selly. Yeah, they're all moving the same way. And they're all falling, man. You know what? I think I should do? I think I should master Tuesdays. I really think so. I think I should, because Tuesdays, and for all my data and stuff like that, it's one of those days that gives you the most amount of pips. Cause look at this. Look at Nas. Okay, how many pips has it moved today? 300. Oh, it's still going. 323 pips. Since when? When was this? Well, this is 11. That's incorrect. Let's go back down. Since 9:35. It's now 10:40. In 1 hour, look at this nonsensical behavior. Madness. 1 hour. Look at this. 1 hour. Nuts. Okay, GBP JPY also just started. We were in the trade when it happened. When was this? Okay, we'll start from here. That's fine. 10:13. It's now 10:41. You see that? If it was 10:15 to 10:45, it'd be half an hour. Look at this. Half an hour worth of candles. Look at what's happening. Nasty work. Trust me, it's fun with your friends. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I used to game when I was into Destiny. We used to have like, not clans, but like a group you'd go and do missions with. That was fun. Right now, I'm a solo guy, so I ain't got nobody to play with. So I just be playing all the sweats online, right? You'll see somebody, bro. People online are serious, bro. One moment they're in front of you, next moment they're behind you. You're like, bro, how is this even fair? Man's just sliding up the wall, jumping here and there, back. Man, people play crazy, bro. People play crazy. People play crazy. Oh, we have two of these. Okay, so let me move this down. Very interesting. FOMO used to kick in and I would have tilted and lost my account. Even if I got a win in that trade, I would jump back in after getting it. Yeah, it's hard to control your emotions when you're in a winning streak. You just feel like everything you touch is gold. But we don't realize that the market is just doing what it does. Like, so for example, let's say I entered this and I got a 1 to 8 and I'm new. I would think I figured it out. I know exactly where it's going, blah, 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 blah. And then you start doing this and the next like 9 trades are all losses. You know what I'm saying? Dean said I can relate on COD. Bro, you know how it is. People who play COD are just, they need to touch grass for real, bro. It's too much. It's just way too much. Bro, there are some guys, if you so much as look at them, you're dead. How? How's it that as soon as I seen you, I died? What are you, Medusa? Bro, it's insane. Some of these snipers, bro. Yo, one day we will all hop on stream and I'll game. And you guys will see what I'm talking about if you haven't already. People on COD are just... And then the trash talking. Next level. I used to play Halo a lot. Ooh, Halo was the... Listen, there are 2 games that I feel like started off this whole multiplayer first-person shooter stuff. First one I have to give credits to is James Bond GoldenEye 007 on N64. That game, bro, when you played... First off, we all used to play on the same screen. All 4 of us on the same screen with those tube TVs that curve. You know, those big tube TVs that, like, if you get a phone call next to it or if the radio's next to it, it starts to, like... The screen starts to, vibrate and shudder. We used to play on those. That was fire. But when Xbox brought out Halo, brother, I tell you the truth. It was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. Fauci, bro, I do this and can't control myself. That's why I'm in a demo, because I know I'm a good trader and I have good setup and stuff, but I need to work on my self-control. Yep, I tell you guys all the time, self-control is the reason why a lot of people lose what they built, work so hard to build. You got to control yourself. It's hard, but you have to. You must. Oh, GJ is also starting to fall, guys, within this channel. Where to go today? Right here. This is a very interesting day. You guys, don't be surprised if US 30, after coming off of here, goes all the way back up and breaks all of this. Don't be surprised. It's the only pair that disrespects everything and everyone. Does not care. I was quite good in PUBG Mobile. I used to play with 4 fingers. Oh, you one of those. You ever see the guys who are playing online and they're playing upside down like this and they're doing this? These guys are literally typing on their controller. and still flaming you. Those guys have a screw missing, bro. I'm telling you. Adib's one of those. That's why he's trying to kidnap people. You see? You see the connection there? The brain. Fauci, my brother had a rich friend and we would go to his house and play on that same TV. Bro, I'm telling you. You guys remember Smash Bros on 64? No game like that, bro. To this day. There is not a Smash Bros I've played after that that's even close. That one on 64 will forever be my favorite. Bro, when you hear Falcon punch, yo, you better dip, bro. Yo, there's a couple sounds you hear in that, you know you're cooked. Falcon punch is one of them. The next one is Kirby's. When Kirby is, I don't want to say it sound weird on stream, but when Kirby's doing what Kirby does best, you don't want to be around because Kirby's going to absorb you and then use your best strengths against you. Kirby was a cheat code. Samus would be just loading up. You see Samus's arm blinking, just know when he shoots that, or she, was a she actually, when she shoots that, you cooked. Bro, shout out to the good old days, bro. That's how we made friends back then. The good old days. Facts. GoldenEye 07. Everybody, yo, GoldenEye 07 was legendary, bro. Use 5 fingers on Koma. Oh, wow. Adib, you have your master in the chat right here, bro. This guy went up to you. Dean said 4 fingers is for noobs. He says 5 fingers is the real deal. Fauci, I agree, brother. African accent. Falcon. And Fox. I was about to talk about him next. Fox. I had a friend that made me hate Fox, and then I ended up loving Fox after. I ended up learning how to use him. Because Fox was... Hiya, bro. And yo, you guys remember... No, Ness was GameCube. No, was Ness on 64? Ness. I don't care what platform he was on. Do you guys remember Ness? I gotta illustrate this so you guys can see. Ness would be here, bro. Where's the pencil tool, bro? I just gotta show you guys, bro. It's not even something I got to show you guys. There we go. All right, so Ness, right? Let me just. Ness would be here. This is Ness. Okay. Like that. And this is the platform. Okay. What the Ness players would do is they would boot you off the platform, okay? And fight you in the air. This is you, okay? Oops. Not too happy, okay? There we go. You're getting your behind whooped. Ness got a cap on. There we go. So that's Ness, right? Ness is flaming you. And what Ness would do is that he would beat the life out of you up here, and then he would use that random energy ball to power himself back up and push himself back this way. So you never had it. Once he's in the air with you over here, bro, you have no chance of fighting back. Ness cooked everyone like that. I hated him. I hated Ness, bro. As you guys could tell. I hated him. It was so cheap. I couldn't stand it. It was so cheap. Everybody would do it. Just blast you off the platform, beat you in the air. Ah, man. Gosh. Anyways, back to trading, guys. Like, she was good with the sword. Link was... Oh, God, how could I forget about Link? Link was nasty. Oh, man. Link was nasty. And Dean, how, bro? Yo, I seen a handicap cook people. The fingers are crooked and the arms and hands. Okay, all right, Fauci. I'm gonna leave that comment alone. All right. I'm gonna just leave that comment alone. He's a pro player, not gonna lie. Oh, okay. Kirby does the same thing. Yeah, I do practice and practice for weeks. I guess so. That's how you get good at it. What an interesting day. The market has just plummeted, vomited. Gold is the only one that went the other way. Isn't that interesting? Where's our setup? There you go. Gold is the only one that went the other day. How did you hold your phone? Don't you guys have the stuff that comes on with the controller thing? That's what I would get. I would not be gaming with just my fingers on the screen. I would get the controller. Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, well, I found out after Thing said he knows him too. No, you're good. Because I thought the way you were describing, right? I'm like, all right, let me You know? I'm burping, by the way. I'm not laughing. I'm burping. All right, Adib, I can get rid of your question here. I can get rid of your question. All right, so we can kind of see what's happening here as well. Similar situation. I suspect there might be a retest, you know. I just won't be here to witness it, but there might be. I feel like. Might be. Oops. We'll see what happens. What a lackluster day. That's the best way I could put it. Just a day that had no intention of doing anything. Zero. Guys, if you're here, like the stream. Like the stream, please. Oh, gosh. I can't wait till I'm settled properly, guys. When everything's settled, I have some big plans for the channel and for the site and everything. I'm just in between a lot of different things right now, so it's making it challenging, but I can't wait to settle. Bro, what? I mean, if D use 5 grand, how does he hold his phone? He's probably, I mean, he has 2 hands. So he could probably, like, you know, one hand, maybe 3 fingers, the other hand, maybe 2. Dean? There you go. From the FVG zone. Are you asking Shosho what we just looked at? What was it? On GBP/USD, I think? Yeah. Yes, sir, brother. From that zone. That's what I'm thinking. Business is going good. I won't lie. Business is doing very well. And we're trying to gear ourselves up for Black Friday, US Thanksgiving, Boxing Day, Christmas, New Year, all that stuff. We're trying to prep for that. But business is going very well. Very, very well, by God's grace. AUD/USD, I took a trade. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look, brother. All right. Oh, it ended up working out for you, Shosho, didn't it? Fire. So did you hit TP or are you still in the trade? Let us know, Shosho. Let us know, because if you're in this trade still, I'm assuming you are like Fauci, probably got in like right here. And I think you probably exited like right here, no? Let us know, Shosho, on a serious note. Let us know. Guys, this trade we took, we closed here, but could have been a nice trade. Dean just blew my mind. He used to think 4 fingers people can use max on. All right. TP hit small. That it doesn't matter if it's a small percentage. If you hit TP, we're gonna celebrate, you guys. 2R. That's wonderful. All right, guys, we're about to celebrate Shosho. Shosho took this trade here, okay, towards the downside somewhere. He got in somewhere and he hit a nice 1 to 2. Guys, let's show some love to Shosho. Let's congratulate him, guys. Let's get some W's in the chat for Shosho.
W's in the shot. W's in the shot.
Let's go. All right, Shosho. Everybody get ready to put some W's in the chat, some fire emojis. Let's celebrate Shosho. Shosho, congratulations on hitting TP, brother. We are extremely happy for you.
Congratulations.
It's going good, Joshua. How are you? Welcome back. Welcome back. I'll catch you up after.
I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Wonderful, wonderful. Clap it up for Shosho, everybody. Congratulations once again for Shosho. Massive congratulations, brother.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
And as always, we're extremely happy for you, brother.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
All right. And for those of you guys, congratulations, Shosho. For those of you guys who were with me when we did the gold trade, if you haven't seen it on YouTube Shorts or Instagram yet, go check it out on Instagram. You guys were all there, and it was a hell of a ride. All right. So, guys, kind of like what I told you with US 30 retracing at that level, NAS 100 did the same thing. Came down to this area, is now pushing back up. All right, guys. So that's how it goes sometimes. Today was not the greatest day. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. But yeah, man, Shosho, congratulations. Congratulations. Any October borns here? Any October birthdays? I know I was one of them. Any October birthdays? The month is halfway through. Any birthdays coming up? If so, when? We'd like to celebrate you. I'm saying, this is crazy work today, bro. Just unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Oh, somebody was telling me to look at DAX. Is it DAX 30, he said? Oh, no, that's JUR 30, I think. Yeah, there's JUR 30 and then there's DAX. Can't be that. Gotta be a different one. Oh, God. You know, I'm going to leave that alone. Let's just go look at JUR 30. I want to see if it moves anything like US 30. Similar. Kind of similar, actually. So I can imagine days like this. Oh. This would have been perfect, actually. This would have been sublime. Let's go take a look. Not bad. Not bad. I guess it's the same. My official birthday is 2nd November, but unofficial birthday is January 2nd. Bro, Adib, like, get your life together, brother. You're kidnapping people. You're using only 4 fingers. Now you have 2 birthdays. What's going on here? Huh? DAX and JUR 30 are the same. Oh, okay. Okay. Did not know that. Did not know that. But now I know. Alrighty. Alrighty. This week has been. I mean, we took a nice trade today, but this week's just been. Super weird. By the way, guys, if you guys suggest anything and I do a video, I think you've noticed by now, but I always put you guys in the video and give you guys a shout out. You guys are the best on YouTube. Great community. So I'm not saying suggest stuff. I'm saying just know I appreciate your support. Bro, I'm in GBP USD. Buy. It's playing around. Yeah, okay, let's take a look. We were just looking at GBP USD. We were just looking. Let's see. GBP USD. Okay, and you said it's on your entry. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right, so entry price is 30777. All right, cool. Excellent. TP is, or sorry, stop loss is 30526. Okay, and then TP is, oh, I don't see your TP. Oh, 5R. Got you. Got you. Let me, oops. So I'm assuming you're swinging. because this is a steep trade. All right, Joshua. I mean, so far it's moving. Oops. So far it's moving in your favor. I think where you have your stop loss is okay. Let's see here. I'm looking at this from a scalper's perspective. I'd personally, for me, have my stop loss either here or here. Even though I know it's at that zone, but like that would tell me like I should probably re-enter if anything. But anyhow, and then the distance would be shorter. But at the same time, you're swinging. You know what you do. Do what you do. Let's take a look at it from a higher time frame and just see if it's going up. The way I have it here, you can see I have it set up to break this area. You can see our price did exactly that. Price broke and is pushing. The question we got to ask ourselves is that the first thing we got to ask ourselves is if price is going to come back down to retest before going back up. That's all. Hopefully it doesn't. You can see here we have this that we drew out before. And I think I explained this to someone else before as well. If you get to this level, just start managing your trade. If you are scalping, if you're in it for the long run, you're good. But this might be a potential area where price might, you know, want to come back and retest and whatnot. So just keep an eye out for that. Let's see. Dean, I guess one birthday is on the Gregorian calendar, and the other should be maybe Hindu calendar or Islamic calendar, depending on religion. In my certificate, my birthday is 2nd November, but my this Dean, like the reason why I didn't react to that what's the word I'm looking for? That comment is because it's Adib. Adib's not gonna have a legitimate reason. He's just gonna be one of those guys who, you know what I mean? Just messing around. Joshua say, yeah, I'm swinging. Got you. So that makes sense. That makes sense. Where your TP's at, however, yeah, that makes sense to me. That's the area I would worry about. And based on how you have it here, you should get a decent push at least to that before it really starts to plummet towards the downside. You might get price coming all the way up here, right? Doing this and stuff. But eventually you might have to hold it out and then you might get this. You might, right? Or it might just plummet from there because we have this gap to fill as well. So just one of those things you got to wait and see. I don't see anything too wrong with your trade per se. I'm just kind of worried about what price may do before it gets to your TP. That's the only thing, but valid trade in my opinion. Marcus said, let's go. What's good? What's good? Sorry for being late. But nah, you good, bro. Better late than never, right? We took this paper trade. Hit TP, great. Everything else today has been a wash. Adib took this trade. And then Fauci. Let me show you what Fauci's doing today, bro. Fauci's just on some next stuff. Let me show you real quick. Fauci caught a... He's about to buy us. Since you're here, Marcus, you can actually tell Fauci what you want. He just made 241K this morning. He took an entry on this position right here. Went nuts. All right. He had 4 positions. Oops. First one was here. Second one. So the first one was like 5 lots. Second one was like 8 or 9 lots. Right there. Somewhere here. Third position, he entered right here for about 12 lots. And then finally, when he knew he was home free, he's like, bro, I got this. Straight 50 lot, bro. He went nuts. Absolutely nuts. So shout out Fauci, man. We already celebrated him, and then everybody put in the chat what they wanted for, you know, for Christmas from the 241K he made. So I asked for a LaFerrari, Marcus. You can ask for whatever you want. Somebody wants 100 liters of pure oil. And he made sure to say pure oil and not baby oil because he knows that comment might land him in a place he does not want to go. Oy. All right. All jokes aside. Not again. Yeah, Fauci. Fauci's about to get bombarded. Ooh, sheesh, Fauci. Yeah, Fauci went nuts, bro. So, Fauci went crazy. 241 bands. And Deep said we had a lot of fun today, bro. We did. As always, we try to live it up just a little. Fauci. Fauci. Chef Fauci, mad scientist. What was the other one, guys, that you guys gave him? You guys gave him like 3 nicknames. So yeah, all right, where were we at? GBP USD. I keep going back and forth. GBP. Okay, so yeah, GBP USD. Let's go back so we can help Joshua in case of anything. Oh boy, I actually gotta hop off. Fauci, did I miss something? Yeah, show, you missed your opportunity to ask him for whatever you want. This guy is going crazy today with his trades. Absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. 200. Oh, don't forget the one. It was 241K, right? He could have had like a 1 to 100, but he was like, bro, I don't want these brokers to hate. The brokers were sweating. I got a personal email saying, please stop the stream and tell Fauci to close his trades. It was crazy. Fauci, don't say that. Apostle Fauci. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, I think that was the other name. Yeah, Fauci. Come on, bro. Work with me here. You know what I'm saying? That you ain't gotta say all that. So yeah, as I was saying, Fauci, I got DMs and emails from the broker saying, please shut that down right now. Fauci is literally killing our P&L, and we will have you suspended from YouTube if you do not suspend. So I was like, all right. So I said, Fauci, close it, bro. The 1 to 130 or whatever you got is good enough, bro. The 50 lot was killing them. Yeah, Fauci's the greatest of all time, man. Now, what do you think of donating some of that demo? You see what I'm saying, Fauci? That's what we're saying, bro. That's what we're saying, bro. Share a bit of the money, brother. Bro, you could actually get a second entry with this area. And to think we were writing it off. That's crazy. That's crazy. This is like no word of a lie, brother. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so from here all the way. From here to here alone is like a 13-hour wait period. So, anyways, you're swinging. You know what it is. And Power Hour, I was looking for you before. I was going to tell you something, but I forgot. Man, I'm also looking at buys on USD CHF. All right, bro, let's take a look for you, USD CHF. But yeah, you missed out in Power Hour. You missed out. Fauci, 241K he made. I asked him for a Ferrari. Vert asked for a Lambo. You know, somebody asked for oil. Somebody asked for oil.
What you just said is one of the most...
I'm gonna leave that alone. When's the donation starting? The thing is that you missed it in Power Hour. You missed it. 241K this guy made. 241K. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where you went. I was literally asking, where's in Power Hour? He's gone. Probably to church. Shout out to you if you went to church. All right, so it was. Oh, I know who it was, Adib. I know you don't let nobody slide. I know who it was. I'm just gonna leave it at that because you know what I'm saying. We don't want to do too much to our boy K Dot. But asking for oil is quite a wild request. Quite a wild request. And Power Hour, check your accounts are already there. And Adib asked for a bar of gold, correct. Somebody asked for an S24 Ultra as well. K-Dot, the funny guy asking for funny stuff. Yup. All right, let me get serious here for just a second because Thing asked me for a look at USD CHF. All right, so USD CHF, Joshua, you're looking for buys. I mean, we're kind of at this level for sure. So you can probably come down to this level and start looking for potential areas. The way price is moving, I suspect we may get another retracement. We got to wait for this to close. I would say wait for the 15 minutes to close, okay? You might see it come back down and retest. If it comes back down to the zone, you can look for buys according to your strategy, okay? If this thing closes in the green, in the blue, whatever the case is, then you might have to start looking at other structures. So we'll give it some time, and then we'll take it from there. But I don't see nothing wrong with buys. Here's the only issue that I really have. So there's this massive gap here. So even if I showed you guys this setup a billion times, price coming down, giving you this, and then eventually breaking up, which is exactly what it did. So even if price is determined to go up, you might get a mini retracement from there. We just don't know where it's going to end. This happens all the time. Does this all the time. All right, so just be on the lookout for that, Joshua. But I would say this zone is one. Let me start marking. You're a swing trader, so let's start looking at some 1 hour areas. Here is the last 2 places I would stop for me personally. Here's one, okay, and here's the other. If price breaks these levels, I wouldn't look for any more buys. I would leave it alone until it starts to correct the structure. Okay, you can clearly see that price is consistently moving a certain way. You see what I'm saying? Gave us this structure, broke up, it should continue upwards. It might come down to retest these levels and go up. But if it starts breaking here, just be a little careful. That's what I would say. Alrighty, brother. Please, I just need a 25K prop account. Fauci, where you at? Why are you so quiet? Everybody's putting in their requests and you're ghosting us. I asked for 100K. That's what Dean asked for. Dean asked for a 100K account. There you go. All right. All right, guys. All right, so here is where we are now, guys. As much as I'm enjoying the time with you guys are the best. You guys are the bomb.com. I actually have to get going. It's 11 o'clock. As you guys know, I spend the first couple hours with you guys in the morning. Then I get to my other businesses, which actually feed me. You know what I'm saying? So I got a lot of work to do. I got to get back to work. But we'll be back here tomorrow. For those of you who are new, we'll be back here tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We trade a prop firm account live in front of everybody every day. So be here to witness and enjoy the, what's the word I'm looking for? I guess the festivities. All right. But with that being said, if you're new, join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram at, put it in here. My money foreign. Okay. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Join the Discord. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And as always, I will catch you lovely people later on. All right. Love each and every one of you guys. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day and your week. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo, foreign, how do you know how far price is going to go up into Shosho, ask me this question the next time, okay? I'll give you a better explanation. For everybody else, have a wonderful evening, day, year, month, whatever. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.